Hi teacher, hi class. I'm going to talk about your modern life. My name is Carla Dumancela. Technology and new ways of working transform business productivity. Objectives. Higher productivity is a result of better and more optimal process. Manual work and man hours are reduced, reducing errors and increasing the productivity of each from the workers. Advantage. Increases efficiency. It generates new opportunities. Opening doors is one of the best things that technology has brought us. Thanks to it, great companies such as Google, Facebook, or Apple have been created, which keep up to date, renewing the way of doing business. Generate new job opportunities. Not everything ends way you find innovate business ideas. Technology has also changed the way of finding new talent, thanks to the fact that today many people tend to seek employment through this means. Disadvantage. More attention is required. One of the disadvantages is the new techniques require monitoring signs. Without it, system can fail and can stop all production. Simple put, they require maintenance. It can be distracting. The use of technology at work opens aspects to other opinions such as wandering and procrastination in working hours. Therefore, several companies have opted for the option of prohibiting the use of applications or social networks outside the company. But it is that the best opinion? So it's good or bad the job. During the last point, we touched one idea of how technology connects use and its advantage and disadvantage of its use in our workplaces. But let's be honest, everything in this world is good and bad. It all depends on how we decide to apply it, control it and guide you. There is no doubt that technology is a strong bright for the development, maintenance and operation of the company as monsters of today have shown use. Thank you.